gosh.
Oh. Will you take
Look
that
at
to
Erin
Joe and make sure he's
doing her makeup.
Actually, can you do it?
No, don't.
Can you do my back real quick
Oh,
before
sure.
I take it to
I
Joe?
love
I have a full size
There's
one.
Angela.
Oh, you do?
Yes,
They're
they're
ready to
all
go.
good.
Oh no, I
Very
was
Melissa.
like that
We're
that
getting
jacket,
ready to go.
that fuzzy thing.
As we're in
It
this
used
tiny
to go
little
everywhere. I had these
kitchen-like
little, like,
area.
white- I had this whole like clump right here of white fuzz.
This is the bridal dressing room,
Really
apparently.
pretty.
I know, the
really
kitchen.
love it.
The kitchen.
Of course, I love your hair.
Because the kitchen means dressing room.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, that's cool. I don't know if that was yours. That's
Yeah,
My
she has
shoes.
green toenails.
Whoa, green shoes.
You got
Oh,
They're pretty and
Look at 'em, look at 'em.
subtle.
and dirty
Oh, yeah.
feet.
Green and dirty feet.
They're not that pretty.
Look at how dirty they are.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Look at my
do
dirty
it.
feet.
You gotta have something old. Old dirty feet.
Oh, thanks.
Yes.
Alright, and how are you doing?
You are very welcome anytime.
Can I put your makeup away or no? Oh, I
That's the dress that will be donned eventually. But I better get out of here before that happens.
Yes, thank you. It hopefully will happen soon.
Okay then, well then I better go. See you guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.